All right, guys, we are out doing a weigh off today. We're gonna see how well this corn is yielding. All right, we got our first weigh off. Moisture was 21.8 and yield was just shy of 275 dry bushels. All right, combine's coming up behind me here. We'll go over, make sure the scale's zeroed, and we'll do another test. All right, last one. First one was 274, the next one was 273, so we'll see how we get along with the last one. I think 22. So that one was 22% and 53.6. The last one was 271 and a half. So overall, really good corn. And yeah, this hybrid was 101.33, so it was pretty much consistent everywhere. It's been doing extremely well. So anyways, that's how we do a weigh off here at Shea Ag.